telling about the Earth, our living planet.
It is the third planet from the sun. The Earth is home for all of the living organisms like plants, animals, humans, etc. For its suitable distance from the sun range, temperature, water cycle, atmosphere, etc. Our Earth are called by many names. Some of them are quadratic planet, unique planet, blue planet, living.
Its largest planet is the Sun. It is approximately 4 times greater than the Moon, and it is 107 times lesser than the Sun. The geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers, of which 361 million square kilometers is covered by water and 149 million square kilometers is covered by land. Thus, the distribution between land and water is unequal. The ratio between land and water is 1:2.43. The Earth is often described as geoid, which literally means earth-shaped or oblate sphere. The Earth is flattened at the poles and bunched at the equator. The polar diameter of the Earth is 12,756 km. The equator diameter of the Earth is 12,714 km. The polar circumference of the Earth is 14,008 km. The equator circumference of the Earth is 40,076 km. The difference of 42 km in diameter is a proof for regarding Earth is geoid.
The land bodies on the Earth is called continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, while Australia is the smallest continent. The water bodies on the Earth is called oceans. There are 4 major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, and Arctic is the smallest and shallowest ocean.
The land and the water bodies are unevenly distributed between northern and southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. Hence, it is called the land hemisphere. On the other hand, there is 81% of water and 90% of land. So, it is called land water hemisphere.
The Earth is spherical in shape, therefore it is difficult to locate the places, direction, and calculate the distance between two places. In order to understand the relationship between two places on the Earth and their exact location, we have to understand the position, distance from any fixed spot, and the exact direction. To know their position, distance, and direction, west and east or north and south, there are a network of lines. These lines are the lines of latitudes and longitudes. The horizontal lines are the lines of latitudes and the vertical ones are the lines of longitudes. These lines intersect each other at 90 degrees and form a network called grid or grid.
Latitude is an imaginary which joins all the places from north or south of the equator. It measures in 0 degrees. All the lines of latitudes are known as great circle or parallel of the equator. There are 181 latitudes on the globe.
Of Earth, 0 degrees is called equator. 23 degrees 30 inches north from Gulf Cancer. 23 degrees 30 inches south from Gulf Capricorn. 66 degrees 30 inches north Arctic Circle. 66 degrees 30 inches south Antarctic Circle. 90 degrees north is called North Pole. 90 degrees south is called South Pole.
Longitudes. The imaginary line that intersect the equator at right angle joining the north and south is called longitudes. On the globe, longitudes are shown as series of semicircles. All lines of longitudes are of equal length. Lines of longitudes are called meridians. Meri means mid, meridian means day. When we move towards north, some areas change their timings accordingly to summer or winter. This is called daylight saving time.
Prime meridian passes through the range had been chosen as prime meridian. There are 180 longitude to the east and 180 to the west. Thus, there are 360 longitude. The zone between the 180 east longitude are called eastern hemisphere, and one opposite zone is called the western hemisphere.
Change between the consecutive longitude is gradually from the equator. This is because the median of longitude converts that to coast. This is on the equator. The distance between median is 100 kilometers.
There is definite relationship between longitudes and times. The Earth is rotating on the axis to complete one rotation in 24 hours. This means 360 latitudes are covered in the period of 24 hours. It gives 4 minutes for every 1 degree of latitude. 360 minutes or 1 hour is equal to every 15 degree of latitude. The time difference is to be added each year. Each gain added, and in case of the east, the GMT, and in case of the west, the time is to be different to be subtracted. WLS, west loss subtracted.
The time is according to a longitude of a place according to the position of a sun is known as local time. This is based on a longitude as it's the sun is shining vertically on the longitude is the place. Every longitude has its own time.
And the local time it creates considerable confusion between many countries. In order to avoid confusion, many countries follow uniform time system. Such uniform time is based on the central meridian of the country, or on which most important city is located. This is called uniform time of the country. In India, 82 degree 30 inches is longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes through Prayagraj of Uttar Pradesh. This Indian Standard Time (IST). It is ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT.
The land bodies on the earth are divided into time zones. Then what are time zones? Time zone is an area which observes uniform standard time of legal, commercial and social purposes. Time zones, there are 24 time zones in the world. Large countries like Russia, USA, Canada and Australia have vast longitudinal extents. Russia has 11 time zones, USA and Canada have 5 time zones and Australia has 3 time zones.
Occurrence of the word to cause some problems in keeping correct day and date for the travelers. Therefore, a line which passes through 180 meridian is diametrically opposite from the GMT or adopted point where should the line which passes through Pacific Ocean along the but make short notes, note details in avoid land masses. This is known as international data lines because the date and day will never change. The people will cross in ships or airplanes.